So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Luna Rose because I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing another TikTok Made Me Buy It makeup haul. So let's get into it, shall we? I did purchase all of these products with my own money, and I will try my best to link down below everything I picked up in today's haul, and let's see what goodies I got / was majorly influenced by TikTok ads. The algorithm knows me so well. So the first set of products I picked up are from Made by Mitchell, Mitchell, who is a famous kind of UK beauty makeup artist, and I really enjoy a lot of his products and how he markets them, but I do absolutely hate the packaging of his powder blushes, but the colours were to die for and I just kind of had to go for it. So I picked up the shade All Right Up, which is a bright kind of tangerine orange. I did try and go for the more different blush colours, since I feel like I own a lot of blushes and I absolutely love blush, but he has a range of really unique and interesting colours. So I picked up All Right Up, a Hint of Innocence, which is kind of more a rosy kind of nudish colour. It's a colour that would kind of go with every single look. I picked up the shade 90s Nude. Again, it's that kind of coolish toned kind of rosy colour that would go with pretty much every single makeup look. I picked up the shade Rosed. Again, could you tell I kind of had a theme, which is more of a pinky colour. I absolutely love pink, if you couldn't tell from the outfit. And then I did pick up the shade Some Shade, which is one of his powder bronzers. I've never actually tried any of his bronzers before, but I have tried the pressed powder blushes. So yeah, I figured why not pick up a few, and just the marketing and style of it, it just gets me, girl. It just gets me. I swear I had one more. I thought I had one more. I did also pick up the shade Bananarama, which is a bright yellow blush. I've been seeing this all over TikTok, and Ellis Atlantis, who is a drag queen also from the UK, did a look with yellow blush, and just something about it spoke to the artistry of drag to me. So yeah, I got a yellow blush, which at the very least would double as a large pan of yellow eyeshadow. So I figured why not, and at some point in the future expect a more avant-garde kind of drag style as opposed to the busty babe bombshell. But I really want to try out his blush powder pressed formula, and I tried to go for the more interesting colours. Also from Made by Mitchell, I did pick up his Blursh book. He does say Blursh, and that's how this spelt and sold. But this has all of the other colours that I pretty much didn't pick up in it. So you kind of got oranges as well as some purple and pinks, which is why for the powder ones I went for the more different colours. And yeah, I've actually worn a couple of these before in videos, and I really like them, and this was a bargain. But you do get less in each pan of these compared to the other ones. But I love blush. I need blush of every colour variety from every brand. Speaking of which, the next product I picked up is more blushes. These are from P.Louise makeup brand. I absolutely love P.Louise in general. Her content and the makeup style she does is gorgeous, and then her brand sells some really interesting products, and these are 3 different liquid blushes. Generally, I'm not the biggest fan of a liquid blush, since I'm in drag. It is a heavy amount of makeup, and I usually just like to slap powder blush all over my entire existence, but I want to get into building the blush into my base. So I picked up the shade Legally Pink, the shade Bon Bon Baby, and the shade Gentle Ginger. As you can tell, they're all pretty much the exact same colour, and I would take the lid off and swatch them, but I am wearing false nails and it makes it very hard to function. But they're pretty much 3 different pink liquid blushes, and at some point in the future for a tutorial you will probably see me use these as a base to put a powder blush on top. But can't get enough blush. Literally, blush is life. Also from P.Louise Beauty, I did pick up the Identify Yourself eyeshadow palette, which I actually thought was really cool and inventive packaging, since it kind of has the mirror on the front, and if you click this button it turns a little light on, so it's a little makeup mirror as well. And the actual inside colours are all kind of neutrally tones with some like highlighters up along the top, which is something that I would definitely use and definitely get like a lot of use out of. And although the palettes are like quite large and like bulky, it is actually a really good palette for drag since you have so many different shades to like blend and like add dimension to. So yeah, thought it was really pretty. Couldn't help it, and like I said, I just seem to get suckered in to like TikTok adverts where people are using it, and I need it. I bought a lot from P.Louise and Mitchell. Like, they got my coin, girl. Also from P.Louise Beauty, I picked up the If the Crown Fits eyeshadow palette. I thought it was very fitting since, you know, full on drag queen. But the top kind of section is like neutrals and like yellowy gold tones. And then it does have a drawer, which I might not be able to do with nails on, that like pull out underneath to have some more like orange tones and neutrals. Again, you can never have enough neutrals. You can never have enough eyeshadow palettes. And the TikTok adverts got me. I love the packaging. I love like the whole like style of like If the Crown Fits, and it's all like glamorous and princessy, and just, yeah, I really like the display and presentation of it. So couldn't help myself, girl. And then the final thing that I picked up from TikTok Shop, and I was suckered in by the adverts, since Glisten Cosmetics is now on TikTok Shop, and so you kind of get like a discount a lot of the time if you check it. So I'd highly recommend looking through TikTok Shop, and there's always like deals and flash sales on, and they had a massive flash sale on all of the Spectra paints from Glisten Cosmetics. Glisten Cosmetics are kind of known for their water activated eyeliners, of which, no joke, I bought every single shade that they sell since they had a 50% off flash sale on. So I spent like £400 on liquid eyeliners. But when I was checking their like store, they recently released the Spectra paints, which are pretty much just coloured pigments. So you can use these on the eyes, the lips and the face. So I bought literally the full rainbow collection as well as the black and the white to mix. And I thought I could use these as like fun brow colours or like eyeshadow bases, or even as just like a lip colour or whatever, since it literally says multi-use, eyes, lips, face, whatever. So I figured I would get use out of them. And I needed every single colour, which was like £9 each. Told you I spent a lot of money. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little me getting suckered into adverts and purchasing every single thing that I see on TikTok Shop. Let me know down below if you've ever purchased anything from TikTok Shop, or do you even use TikTok? Me personally, I literally just use it as another shopping app, which is not healthy at all. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you tried anything from Made by Mitchell, P.Louise or Glisten, or if you purchased anything from the TikTok Shop. Also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. It is the.luna.rose. I will leave it linked down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. I cannot wait to rip these little nails off my fingers so I can grab things again. They are not very long, but they are very limiting. And I keep pulling out my wig with it. Thanks for watching. Bye.